shall be esteemed as the potter's clay.
As one of the accoutrements, the Hoover Dam was built with explosives inside the dam if the need ever arose to destroy the dam. The Hoover Dam has a tremendous amount of satanic symbolism associated with the dam. The dam itself represents the female reproductive system. The destruction of the Hoover Dam will symbolically represent the birth of the New World Order. Which are the villains behind the scenes that are responsible for all the death and the agony and the heartbreak that you have seen so far from these fraudulent bombings in the United States. The bursting of the dam will represent the water breaking, as in the case of the birth of a child. The offshore attack that is coming, that is printed on this $10 bill, will so severely cripple the United States